Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to study about the Delhi court judgment in which they have discharged Umar Khalid and Khalid Saifi, who were the accused in Delhi riot case. Now let's understand what was the case अगेंस्ट उमर खालिद एंड खालिद सैफी. इन दोनों के अगेंस्ट केस क्या था अब हम ये समझते हैं. सो द केस अगेंस्ट देम वॉज रजिस्टर्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंप्लेनेंट संग्राम सिंह. अब यहाँ पर कंप्लेनेंट का मतलब क्या हुआ? कंप्लेनेंट का मतलब होता है द पर्सन हु कंप्लेन्स. जो कंप्लेन करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं कंप्लेनेंट. तो संग्राम सिंह ने कंप्लेन करी इन दोनों के अगेंस्ट, जिसके बेसिस पे इन दोनों को अरेस्ट किया गया. सो द केस वॉज, संग्राम सिंह जो है ही वॉज ऑन ड्यूटी एट दैट टाइम. जब राइट्स हो रहे थे तो ही वॉज ऑन ड्यूटी. अब राइट मतलब क्या होता है यहाँ पे? राइट इज डिफाइंड एक्चुअली इन द सेक्शन 146 ऑफ IPC. राइट मतलब एक्चुअली में क्या होता है कि वेन एवर अ पीस इज डिस्टर्ब्ड बाई अ क्राउड, वॉयलेंट डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ पीस बाई अ क्राउड इज नोन एज राइट. That is defined under section 146 of IPC. Section 146 of IPC ये बोलता है जब कभी किसी भी अनलॉफुल असेंबली के द्वारा, whenever unlawful assembly or any member of unlawful assembly uses force or violence in prosecution of its common object, in prosecution in achieving its common object, then every member of unlawful assembly is liable for riot. फॉर कॉजिंग राइट. तो ये बोलता है सेक्शन 146. तो जब राइट हो रहे थे तो संग्राम सिंह वॉज ऑन ड्यूटी एंड ही टुक शेल्टर इन द पार्किंग लॉट. At that time, the members of unlawful assembly came and broke open the parking lot and set fire on the parked vehicles. On seeing this, Sangram Singh made complaint against both of them, on the basis of which they were arrested. There were allegations of criminal conspiracy against them. अब allegation मतलब क्या होता है? Allegation मतलब claim और assertion कि some person has done something illegal. मतलब संग्राम सिंह ने ये allegations लगाई उमर खालिद और खालिद सैफी पर कि they both have done something illegal, on the basis of which they were arrested. अब allegations किस पे थी? क्या काम करने की? Of criminal conspiracy. अब conspiracy क्या होता है? Conspiracy मतलब होता है when two or more person combine to do anything illegal. They combine for unlawful purpose. उसको हम बोलते हैं conspiracy, and that is defined under section 120A of IPC. So, section 120A of IPC defines criminal conspiracy as the agreement between two or more person. When two or more person agree to do any illegal act or any act through illegal means. That means that act might not itself be illegal, but the means of doing that act will be illegal. So, if two or more person agree to do any illegal act or any act through illegal means, we call it criminal conspiracy. So, Umar Khalid और Khalid Saifi पर charges थे of criminal conspiracy. Now, the question comes कि why the court have discharged them? Why the court discharged them? So, the judges said they were already facing similar allegations under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which deals with conspiracy to commit riots in Delhi as well. So that was it for the case. Now let's revise all the legal words which we have studied in the video. The first legal word was discharged. Discharged matlab the releasing the person. Second legal word was complainant. Complainant means the person who makes the complaint. Like for example, in this case, Sangram Singh made a complaint, so he was complainant. The third legal word was riot. As I have explained you, is defined under section 146 of IPC. Riot means violent disturbance of peace. Section 146 of IPC says whenever force or violence is used by a lawful assembly or any member of unlawful assembly, then every member of unlawful assembly is liable for causing riot. Next legal word is conspiracy. Conspiracy means when two or more person combine to do anything illegal. They combine for unlawful purpose. That is defined under section 120A of IPC. Section 120A says whenever two or more persons combine to do any illegal act or any act through illegal means, that is called as criminal conspiracy. Next legal word is allegations. Allegations means a claim or assertion that person has done something wrong or something illegal. For example, in this case, Sangram Singh made allegations against Umar Khalid and Khalid Saifi. So that was it for this video. I hope you have understood all the legal words and this judgment as well. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section.